Pablo, the boy who cried wolf envy photos. You can see. This is so cool. I don't know why, but I'm feeling like this envy is gonna be very different. Very different. Oh my god, I can't wait. I can't wait for this. This is gonna be epic. This is gonna be very different. The concept already looks different, and you can see Pablo. Oh my god. This photo is giving me chills, 18. Truly. Ooh, yes. Yes. Look at him. What? No. He looks shattered. He looks done. He looks done and dusted. Oh, Pablo. I'm pretty sure he acted so well in this MV. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to say. It's gonna be emotional.